Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Connecteam team management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer: this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Connecteam is a team management app designed to help businesses organize their workforce, streamline communication, and improve productivity. It's ideal for both small businesses and larger organizations, especially those with remote or deskless employees. The app is available on iOS, Android, and web, offering tools for scheduling, time tracking, task management, and employee communication, all in one place. The app's main feature is its all-in-one management dashboard. Managers can create schedules, assign shifts, monitor attendance using GPS tracking, and even handle payroll reports. It also includes digital forms, real-time chat, and training modules for employee development. Everything is built to simplify operations and keep teams connected. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Connecteam's clean interface, real-time updates, and customizable features that make it easy to manage staff across different departments. Businesses especially like the app's ability to reduce paperwork and enhance communication between employees and management. However, some users mention that certain premium features, like advanced automation and integrations, are available only in higher-priced plans. Others note that it can take a little time for new users to get used to all the available tools. In summary, the Connecteam app may be worth using if you want an efficient way to manage your team, track attendance, assign tasks, and stay organized, all from a single platform. However, if you're a small business with limited team needs or prefer a simpler solution, the premium tiers might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.